Your body is amazing. It keeps you alive and carries you around every day. But how much do you really know about what's going on beneath the surface? Jump on board and take a journey under your skin, through your insides, and back in time to explore milestones in medicine and the latest scientific discoveries about the human body. Why is snot green? How does skin heal itself? Why did ancient Romans use their pee to try to whiten their teeth? Packed full of disgusting and delightful facts, this book contains the amazing answers to these questions and more. Filled with bite-sized chunks of information, the body book covers everything from the brain, skull, and mental health, through to how your body protects itself and how surgery has evolved through the ages. Other topics include what poop can tell us about the body, a timeline of pandemics through history, and amazing recent medical advances such as 3D printed prosthetic limbs. The body book is an ideal introduction to human anatomy and the history of medical advances. Find the link below and buy the book now.